guys, so you know the drill. I already did one eye off camera, so we're going to go in and we're going to do the other eye. And today I am going to be using the James Charles palette for this eye look. And I am first going to go in with this shade right here. And I'm going to pack this all over my lid. First, I'm going to prime my eye with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and just blend that out. So I was thinking about actually doing a video. I feel like I got glitter on my lip. Without priming my eyes. And just to see like how my eyeshadow holds up. Because I actually did an eye look. I was just trying out a look the other day. And I didn't use any primer. But it's not like it's not like I wore the eye look all day. It was just like I was trying out some colors just to see how they look together. So I'm kind of thinking about doing like a video one day and doing like a wear test without any like concealer or eye primer or anything like that, and showing you guys like how it holds up. So what do you guys think about that? I'm thinking about doing that because I'm in a couple of makeup groups, and for the most part majority of people do prime their eyes before they do their eyeshadow, but I've also seen some ladies saying that they don't. So I guess it's just nature to prime it, because that's just, look at that blend though, y'all. Y'all see that blend? So I'm going with that purple shade, and I'm going to pack this all over my lid. I'm using the Morphe 167 brush, and I'm just going to pack this over my lid. And I'm not going to bring this up too high, because my next shade that I'm going to put on top, I'm using 3 eyeshadows today. So I want to be able to get all the colors in. And I want you to be able to see all 3. I know my last couple of tutorials I've been winging out my eyeshadow. But for this one, I'm going to keep it more in like a round shape. So next, I'm going to go in with this hot pink shade right here. And I'm just going to pat this on top of the purple shade to blend out the harsh line. And I'm going to take my Morphe 441 brush to do that. And I'm just going to pat. These eyeshadows from the Morphe and James Charles collaboration are extremely pigmented. Like, so pigmented. And I found that with this eyeshadow palette, is definitely better to pat than swipe. So you definitely have to pat this on first and build it up, and then you can do whatever kind of blending that you want. So I'm not going to make the color too intensified in the corner. I'm just going to put enough where I can blend it out. I'm just going to blend a little. Try to get those 2 colors meshed together. I'm going to start to bring the purple shade up a little higher. I took that same brush that I used for the pink shade, and I'm not going to add anything additional on it right now. I'm just going to pat on top of that. I'm going to take more of that pink shade. I'm just going to add it on top. Pat, pat, pat. You kind of almost want to overlap it into the purple shade, so you can make sure you're getting rid of that harsh line. Now, let me tell y'all something. These non-cut crease looks are pretty easy, but it requires a lot more blending. A lot more blending. Bring that purple shade up a little higher. And just keep that round shape going as you're adding the shadows. Now you see, do you see how that's starting to look now? Okay. I know y'all see it now. I know y'all see it now. I'm going to take a little bit more pink and pick. Y'all see now? It's a process, okay? You have to trust the process. You have to trust it. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this yellow shade right here, and I'm going to put this right above the pink shade. Now, purples, pinks, oranges, yellows are kind of like my favorite colors to blend together. I just feel like they look so pretty. And I'm using a more detailed brush for this. I'm using the Morphe 507 brush. Just because I don't want this to go everywhere. I just want it to go directly on top. Like with the pink, you see how I was like literally overlapping it some? And it's okay to use a bigger, fluffier brush like that when you don't mind overlapping, but I don't want to lose this pink shade too much. Go back in with the pink. I'm going to add a little bit more pink. I'm telling y'all, this is just a back and forth game. Back and forth, back and forth. Now it's time for the fun part. So we're going in and we're going to apply this glitter liner. To apply it, I'm going to be using this NYX glitter primer. And I'm going to be using just this kind of brush. And I'm going to put the glue on it. I don't even know the name of this brush. I've had this brush for so long. I normally use it to like carve out my brows. And I'm just going to pat it right above my waterline. Not my waterline, my lash line. And you just want to make sure that it's pretty even. So you can know where to put the glue at. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. It's not like it's an actual liner. Like you're using a liquid liner. It's glitter, so it's not going to be, it's only going to get but so perfect. But you just want to make sure that it's pretty even. And then I'm going to go in with this glitter from Dulzura Cosmetics. I hope I'm saying it right. It's a company on Instagram that I follow. I'll make sure I put that information down in the link below. And I'm just going to pat this on. This is like a chunky glitter. It has some fine glitter mixed in it. But I'm going to go in with my NYX glitter, fine glitter. Just to give it an extra sparkle. And I'm using the same brush that I applied the primer with. Just because it's easier to pick up the glitter. And I'm just going to pat that on. And if you feel like it's going up too high, just take a tweezer and pull down, because this is more so of a chunky glitter. Just get some tweezers and just pull them down a little. Alright, so where I see that the glitter is just a little too high up, I'm just going to push it down some. Because I am going to add some fine glitter in. And then I'm going to take my all-time favorite loose glitter, which is by NYX Cosmetics, or NYX, however you guys pronounce it, in Crystal. And I'm just going to use that same exact brush. And I'm just going to apply this in between where I see like any gaps. You see? Definitely in the inner corner. Y'all, how pretty does that look? It's so freaking pretty. Literally just taking the little, like the tiniest amount. And just putting it in there. Okay guys, so while I'm waiting for my eyelash glue to get tacky on my eyelash, I'm going to go in with this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk. And I'm going to put this in my waterline. Uh-oh. So I want to take this hot pink shade right here from Myomakeup, and I'm going to apply this in my waterline right over top of the white liner. The white liner just makes the the pigment pop more. So I'm just gonna do that, and this is going directly in my waterline. So now I'm gonna apply my lashes, and I actually swapped out the ones I just recently had on and put on my faves, which is my Bissell Free ones. And I'm just, let me tell y'all something about eyelashes, because I get a lot of questions about them, and I know I need to do a tutorial on it, and the tutorial is coming, but it's just I gotta make sure I have the right angles for y'all so y'all can see exactly what I'm doing. When it comes to applying eyelashes, what I've learned is it's about your applicator and it's about your glue. So sometimes I use my hand. It depends on what kind of eyelash I have, where I can actually use my hand and place it right on top. Sometimes I use a tweezer. With these ones I can use either or, but just for the sake of the video I'm going to use the tweezers, and I normally do it with my eye open. Another thing, you want to make sure that your glue is tacky. You don't want to apply it while it's wet. And I normally just put mine on looking straight forward. You want to do it as close to your lash line as possible. And I normally just push it in. I'll push mine into the lash line. And another thing about applying lashes, the hardest part is to get like in there and make sure it's sticking are your corners. So you're going to first, when you apply it, you want to just like sit it on there. Don't worry about the middle at first. You want to make sure that you positioning it correctly to your eye shape and on your lash line. And then you want to do your corners first. And then you want to just push it in on the middle. And then afterwards, I normally always take my fingers and just push it in. Next, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply just a little glitter and under my waterline right here. And I'm going to be using these two colors right here. It's like a silver and then it's like a pinky shade. I got these from Amazon. I'll be sure to list the link below. I think it was like $12 or $13, and I got like a lot of different colors. I think it might have been 10 or more. So I'm just going to, drag this right underneath. Start with the silver, just because that's what's in my inner corner anyway. And then I'm going to take the pink. And I'm going to do the same thing. And sometimes this can like run if you're looking down a lot. So when I use it, I try to hold my eyes up, because as you can see, it's already running a little bit on my face. But that's okay. That's an easy fix. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. My lips and my face feel so dry. So I'm going to go in and do my face, because I know my last couple of videos I've been doing the same routine with my face. As soon as I switch it up, I'll start putting my face back in there. You guys let me know if you want me to continue doing my face in my videos. Just let me know. That was fast, right? I probably should slow down a little bit. Sorry. So yeah, I'm going to go and I'm do my face, and I'm going to come back and show you guys the final look. Okay guys, so this is the final look. What do you guys think? How do you like the glitter liner? I feel like this look is so pretty. Like, it's so girly. I am absolutely in love with it. This look was inspired by Beats by Deb. She's on Instagram. Make sure you guys go follow her. She is an awesome artist. And this is just inspiration from her. It's a little different than what she did, but I freaking love this look. It might be one of my faves. Like, it's so freaking pretty. But yeah guys, this is basically another, I want to say simple but not easy tutorial. When it comes to blending eyeshadows, you just gotta make sure that you practice your blending. Make sure that you're using the right brushes. Make sure you're using pigmented eyeshadows. And if you don't have really pigmented eyeshadows, make sure that you're using a good base to make those eyeshadows pop. It all just takes practice. Practice definitely makes perfect. I am just absolutely in love with this look. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below what you think about this look. What you like, what you didn't like, of course. As always, I had fun filming this video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. That's gonna be it for me. Until my next one. Deuces.